import duty in Azerbaijan of Pakistani rice. Now it is up to our own people, the private sector, the business community, the Rice Export Association of Pakistan to take initiative, avail this great economic benefit. So you see there is a long agenda we have. We are going to work together, and I have requested my brother, although I am in foreign affairs, but we both have to handhold the business community and increase the volume of business. So we are on it, both of us.
Abdullah Moment, Dawn News.
My question is from Foreign Minister Azerbaijan. Excellency, developing countries have great hopes from COP29, which will be held in Baku, Azerbaijan. At COP27 and 28, important achievements were made in setting up a loss and damage fund, which is a major demand of the developing countries. So what can developing countries expect from COP29? Thank you.
Thank you for your question. You are absolutely right. The hosting and COP29 presidency is a great responsibility and at the same time, of course, a challenge for Azerbaijan. Relating to your question, Azerbaijan is also a part of the developing world. We very well understand, of course, the challenges of developing world. We were the very strong advocates of a global South interest during 4 years of our chairmanship in non-aligned movement. But at the same time, we also should take into account that the COP presidency has, some specific. Your role as a COP president is to navigate among 198 parties, because in order to get the successful outcome documents, you have to get a consensus among all parties. Some of them are part of the developing world, some of them are part of the developed world. And in order to keep this role in a right way, you have to be inclusive, you have to be neutral and transparent. At the same time, we believe that the Azerbaijani co-presidency, this is a great, let's say, news and opportunities for the developing countries, because, as I said, we very well understand the challenges of developing countries, and of course, all of them has their own challenges. We are very well aware about the challenges of Pakistan. I mean, from a climate change point of view, we remember the recent devastating flood in Pakistan, and from this perspective, of course, Azerbaijan will do its best. So there is the outcome documents provide, let's say, necessary resources. I mean, both financial resources in order to tackle these challenges for the developing countries, including Pakistan, in order to help to, let's say, to promote adaptation needs of these countries, early warning systems create, and other means of, support, meaning both technical and training capacities in the relevant, let's say, areas. And at the same time, of course, we are hopeful that Pakistan will also help us in terms of, during the negotiation processes, so that the Baku COP will be the really true, the really success story.
I just add a few words to what my Excellency brother has said. I have flagged to my brother and to his delegation, the situation of Pakistan vis-a-vis climate change. Our emissions are less than 1%, and we are one of the most 7 vulnerable countries on the globe vis-a-vis climate change. I have also flagged to my dear brother that the flash floods 2022 caused $34 billion worth of losses to Pakistan, unfortunately. This was worked out not by Pakistan alone, but UNDP, Asian Development Bank, EU, World Bank, etc. So what is the, you see the deal with this, this menace